The biggest change in not just Excel 2013, but Office 2013 is the reliance on the cloud. In order to make use of most of the features of the cloud side of Excel, you will need a Microsoft account. Once you've signed up for a Microsoft account, and they're free, then in Excel, you can go to File, Account, and sign in to your Microsoft account. Now, you might get a Microsoft account if you are buying your Excel as part of Office 365, or you might just go to Microsoft.com and sign up for one, or you might already have one. So our first step is to sign in to Office. Your choice for signing in is then either personal or organization or school. If your organization has signed up for Office 365 and installed the SharePoint server, then you might be given a sign-in for your organization or your school or your company, in which you'll be able to sign directly into their SharePoint services. Alternatively, if you've got a personal sign-up, then you will be signing in direct to Microsoft. So we're going to go down the personal sign-up route, which is signing directly into Microsoft's own services. And then we need to sign in with our appropriate email address and password, and then sign in. Once you're signed in, whatever service you have will appear already. So I've got my SkyDrive, and the SkyDrive is an online storage location for you to store your documents that you can then access either from your desktop or from a smartphone, or really from any device that can access the internet. We also have the ability to add further services. We can add a Flickr account. So if you already have a Flickr account, you can sign into that through this account panel in Excel and then make use of your Flickr images within Excel. We can also sign up to SharePoint servers and SkyDrives, so other SkyDrives than your own, so that you can save files to those locations. And you can look at sharing documents with your Facebook friends, LinkedIn network, and your Twitter accounts. So if I were planning to share my Excel documents with Facebook users, I would need to sign into Facebook as well. Just connect Facebook to training at NY Bikes. Connect. And then I sign into my Facebook account. Can even ask it to keep me logged in. And then we can see that Facebook is now one of my connected services. And then I could add any of the other services, Twitter, LinkedIn, Flickr. Now that I have Facebook connected as a service, what I'm able to do from a document is share that by saving my file to my SkyDrive, sample data file. It's actually blank, but that's not a problem. So I'm saving this file to my SkyDrive. I've given it a sensible name, which is sample data file. And once I have a document saved into SkyDrive, so it's actually on the internet, I can actually post it to social networks. Now, because the only social network that I've linked my account to is Facebook, that's the only choice I'm given. If I'd also linked through to Twitter, I would have that choice as well. And I can post to social networks with various options, allowing people to view or edit. I can include a personal message, please read, very interesting, and then post. And what happens is it actually creates a link to my Excel file on my SkyDrive, post that link into Facebook for people to then be able to like and follow. If I then have a look at my Facebook page, I can see here's the post. Please read, very interesting, Excel file called sample data. And if I were to click on here, it would take me to that sample data file stored in SkyDrive. So you can see there an example of how Excel 2013 is becoming more used to working, and very easily working, with cloud-based solutions such as SkyDrive, such as the social networks.